Hey everyone, and welcome to your next episode of Cooking with Nichole. Tonight we're going to make Copycat Meximelts. So if you're familiar with Taco Bell, they have this awesome thing on their menu called a Meximelt. Kind of a simple, soft-shelled flour taco, essentially. But it's super cheesy. And so we're going to make it in a low-carb or keto fashion. And it's going to be just as convenient as if you were sitting in the drive-through line to pick up. So what we have for you tonight is some Mission Carb Balance tortillas, and these happen to be the whole wheat ones. You can use the white ones or any low-carb tortilla that you might have on hand. I have 1 ounce of pepper jack cheese, 1 ounce of shredded Colby jack cheese, 2 ounces of taco meat, and 1 tablespoon of salsa. And we're gonna put it all together, roll it up, and we're gonna microwave it for 1 to 2 minutes depending on your microwave and how it cooks. But you wanna get that cheese nice and melty. So super easy, right? Something that we could do, maybe you made some taco meat left over and you're home and you're hungry and you want that thing that's really quick and really easy to get the kids out the door to their soccer game, or to get them to baseball, or just a nice convenient snack for yourself. So this is going to be that convenient factor. Obviously, if it's not necessarily a leftover situation with leftover taco meat and you just happen to make tacos and you want to put a different spin on your tacos, here you go. So to assemble, we have our tortilla, and we're going to start out by spreading out the shredded Colby cheese. Now keep in mind, this is going to get super cheesy. It's going to be very, very melty, hence the word Meximelt, with all of the extra layers of cheese. And then we're going to sprinkle on our 2 ounces of taco meat, leftover taco meat that was made before. And then we're going to top that with our ounce of pepper jack cheese. Now, if you're not a fan of spice, you certainly don't have to use pepper jack cheese. You can use any melting cheese. You could use mozzarella. You could use just some American cheese, or like a farmer's cheese if you'd like something that's going to be a nice easy melt on it. And then we're going to top it with our tablespoon of salsa. Now, you can put pico de gallo. If you want to use pico de gallo instead, you're more than welcome to. And we're just going to fold this together. Now, obviously, our tortilla is not going to be quite big enough to fold it up into a square, so you can find the bigger Mission Carb Balance tortillas or lower carb tortillas. Joseph's lavash bread would be another wonderful option that you can use. Those lavash bread sheets are a lot bigger. Slice it in half and then you would have a bigger tortilla or shell. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply fold it together like this. It's all going to melt up real nicely. And we're going to pop it in the microwave, and we're going to microwave it for 1 to 2 minutes. And it's as simple as that. I'll have the nutrition facts information available for you and attached to the recipe with this. Remember, I'm on YouTube, so if you're wanting to come up with all of the recipes that I've posted since the middle of March and not have to scroll through Facebook, look for me on YouTube and please subscribe. It's the easiest way to search for me right now is Keto Cooking with Nichole, and my name has an H in it, and I'll come up in the top 5. Click on me and there's all of the recipes there for your browsing and wonderful low carb and keto cooking needs. And this is your sweet deal for tonight. I hope you guys all have a wonderful evening. I'm excited for my Meximelt. We'll talk to you soon.